Have you ever encountered these types of questions in standardized tests? Yes? Did you have a hard time answering them? If so, then stay tuned to the rest of the video and let's find out how to answer them easily. Welcome back and welcome to my channel, Everything English. I am Teacher Loki. So, in the matter a while ago, it involved logical and critical thinking. And if you had a hard time answering it, don't worry. There's a way to answer it easily. The type of test is called a word analogy test. It is a logical and critical thinking process of analyzing the relationship of words. In this type of test, you are given a pair of words like the example a while ago. Then, it is your job to supply a new pair or complete the following pair with the same relationship. Analogy comes from the Greek word analogia, which means reasoning from one point to the other. In simpler terms, analogy concerns one element linked or related to another element through observed similarities, thus creating a relationship between these two elements. Now, let's talk about the common types of relationships used in word analogy test. First, part to whole. It is when the first word is an actual part to the whole of the second word or vice versa. For example, toe, foot, finger, hand, wing, airplane, wheel, car. Now, it's your turn to try. Analyze the first word, then choose a word that best fits to complete the second word pair. You'll have 10 seconds to do it. Leaves, branch, fin, blank. Your 10 seconds starts now. The answer is fish. If you got it right, good job. If you didn't, I bet you can do better next time. Second type of relationship is product to producer. Word pairs can also be related according to the product that is being produced or vice versa. For example, milk, cow, wool, sheep. Another example would be honey, bee, book, author, or writer. Now, it's your turn to try. The same instructions. Analyze the first word pair, then choose a word that best fits to complete the second word pair. You will have 10 seconds to do it. Let's start. Carpenter, house, painter, blank. Your 10 seconds starts now. The answer is painting. If you got it right, then great job. If you didn't, I bet you can do better next time. Let's now proceed to the third type of analogy, and that is characteristics. Characteristics could mean color, the quality, the temperature, and other adjectives. For example, blue, sky, green, leaf. Another example would be chocolate, sweet, lemon, sour. Now, it's your turn to try. The same instructions. You have to analyze the first word pair, then choose a word that you think best fits to complete the second word pair. You will have 10 seconds to do it. Let's begin. Mirror, smooth, sandpaper, blank. Your 10 seconds starts now. The answer is rough. If you got it right, great job for you. Then, if you didn't, I guess you can do better next time. Let's now proceed to our fourth type of relationship in word analogy. and that is synonyms. Word pairs can also be related if they are synonymous or have similar meaning. For example, hot, searing, cold, freezing. Now, it's your turn to try. Analyze the first word pair, then choose a word that best fits to complete the second word pair. You will have 10 seconds to do it. Let us begin. Car, automobile, ship, blank. Your 10 seconds starts now. The answer is boat or vessel. If you got it right, excellent job. If you didn't, don't worry. You can always have next time. The fifth type of relationship in word analogy tests is called antonyms or opposites. Words can also be related if they have opposite meanings. For example, we have up or down. We have left or right. Dark, bright, day, night. Let's try. Analyze the first word pair, then choose a word that best fits to complete the second word pair. You'll have 10 seconds to do it. Failure, success. Mistaken, blank. You have 10 seconds. The answer is the word correct or right. If you got it correctly, then I think you're doing fine in word analogy tests. If you didn't, I bet you can do better next time. The sixth relationship in word analogy tests is called function to thing. Word pairs are also connected according to the purpose or function or task of a particular object. For example, bus is to transport, as bag is to carry. Another example would be eye is to see, while ear is to hear. Now let's try it. Analyze the first word pair, then choose a word that you think best fits to complete the second word pair. You'll have 10 seconds to do it. Pen is to write, as camera is to blank. Your 10 seconds starts now.
The correct answer is capture.
If you got it correctly, great job for you. If you didn't, you can try again next time. The last relationship that I am going to tell you is called cause and effect. Make sure that you analyze word pairs carefully, because sometimes the relationship can be really tricky, just like cause and effect. For example, earthquake is to destruction. Fire is to burn. Giving gifts is to joy, as eating spoiled food is to stomachache. Now you try it. Analyze the first word pair, then choose a word that best fits to complete the second word pair. You'll have 10 seconds to do it. Overspend, broke. Save, blank. Your 10 seconds starts now. The answer is prosperous. If you got it right, great job. If you didn't, I bet you can do better next time. Let's have a wrap up. Let's review the 7 common types of relationship in word analogy tests.
First, part to whole. Second, product to producer. Third, characteristics. Fourth, synonyms. Fifth, antonyms. Sixth, function to thing. Seventh, cause and effect.
Now those are the 7 common types of relationships. There are more, But again, I'm only telling you the 7 common types of relationships in word analogy tests. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that this video will help you in answering those word analogy tests. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, the share button, and the subscribe button. Also, if you're interested in my personal account, I'm going to put the link in the description box. And if you have questions regarding English, please don't forget to comment it down below. I'll make sure to make a video and answer all your questions about it. Once again, I am Teacher Loki, and this is my channel, Everything English.